Welcome back, students. So over here I'll be dealing with the activities which are there related to the lesson which we have finished, that is lesson unit number 4.2, to serve with love. So the first activity which is mentioned is, which one among the following is a teacher in the extract? Select the correct one. Also cite a couple of lines from the extract in support of your answer. So 4 options are given over here: Denham, Miss Joseph, Sapiano and Dale Evans. So you have to write down or mark over there which is the teacher mentioned apart from all the students. So I think so the D option, that is Dale Evans, she is one of the teachers over there. Fine. Complete the table highlighting the various traits of the major characters in the extract. Now here 4 main characters of a story are mentioned over here, and you have to just write down their important or major traits. Now for example, for Denham, what do you find Denham? How does he do all his things? How is he? Alright, so Denham was quite confident, alright, and he was straightforward in putting up his questions, and even if he didn't like it, he told it, isn't it? Then Miss Phillips. Now she was one of the best informed teacher, you can say, coolest, and answered everything properly. Alright, so you can either mention one particular word in these boxes as your answer, or you can write couple of words describing them. So the next one is Furman and Potter. So once you read your lesson, you will be able to identify the character traits and fill these answers. The third question: the narrator played a crucial role in bringing a significant change in the students. Explain the statement by citing some references from the extract. Now who is the narrator? The narrator is the teacher himself. Now he brings a change in these students. Now what are those changes? You have to mention those with the help of references from the extract. Is it clear? So the points which I have mentioned in the earlier video, I think so those will be helpful for you to write down your answers as well. Now where you can write answers in your textbook, you can fill them up. Where you are supposed to explain them, you can write down in your notebooks. So I hope you have maintained your English notebooks, and you'll be writing whatever we are teaching you also, that you revise all these things regularly. The next question: Furman brought a comic relief in the Students' Council program. Explain. Now over here, Furman, he gets a skeleton on the stage. So looking at that skeleton, everyone is laughing. So that particular incident you have to mention over here in your own words. The next thing is plot. Second activity: arrange the incidents in correct sequence as per the occurrence in the extract. Now these statements are given over here. They are in a jumbled order. So once you read your lesson properly, you will be able to solve this puzzle. Denham was outwitted by Miss Phillips. The head of the school closed the proceedings. Denham asserted that PT periods were a waste of time. The slips were folded and placed in a hat. Furman was as usual a trump card. Denham called out the names of the representatives. And Students' Council was held every year on November 15th. Now when you read your lesson, you'll be able to arrange them. I think so the first one is Students' Council was held every year on November 15th. Second, Denham called out the names of the representatives. Third, Furman was as usual a trump card. The slips were folded and placed in a hat. Then Denham asserted that PT periods were a waste of time. Denham was outwitted by Miss Phillips. The head of the school closed the proceedings. So you can jot down those numbers over there next to these alphabets. Next question, second: describe in brief the purpose of organizing the half-yearly report program of Students' Council. So in this entire lesson, the main focus is on the students council, which was arranged by the students itself. So you have to mention those things in brief over here. Write in your own words the entire half yearly report program of students council. Over here now you have to give in your own words. Alright, so whatever you have understood, you can mention in the half yearly report. You can write it down as a paragraph or in the form of points as well. Describe the question answer session that took place at the end of the extract. The next one is describe the discussion that took place between Miss Joseph and Denham. Now over here, this particular question, they had a bit of a truffle, isn't it? Now Denham, he didn't want the PT exercises in the school, and Miss Joseph is able to answer him in a very good way. Alright, towards the end of the lesson, all these things are mentioned, so go through them and answer. A3, first one, which event took place in the extract? Choose the correct one, give reasons to support your answer. Annual Sports Day on November 15th, Annual Social and Cultural Gathering on November 15th, Half Yearly Report of Students Council on November 15th, Farewell Program on November 15th. So I think so it was a half yearly report, isn't it? So you can tick mark over there. Second, the event in the extract was held at the dash. Choose the correct alternative, give reasons to support your answer. So in the first one also you are supposed to give reason to support your answer over here as well. So author's house, auditorium of the school, market or the garden. It was the auditorium of the school, isn't it? So mention it and reason it out. Third one, the incidents in the extract occurred at a particular place. Explain the significance of that place in your own words. Now all these incidents which are mentioned have taken place in the school itself, in the community hall over there. So you can mention what all things are occurring, what all things are taking place over there in your own words. Alright, explain how the setting of the extract contributes to the theme of the novel. So here again, all these questions are asked in one way or the other, and you should be able to answer in your own words. Later we come to the theme of the particular activities over here of the drama novel. A4, when the turn of my class came, I sat up anxiously. Why was the narrator anxious? Explain the statement by citing suitable references from the extract. Now over here we know what type of students Mr. Braithwaite was dealing with. Alright, now these students have come from a different background. Normally students come from a regular background. Alright, now these students which are mentioned in our lesson, they have come from slums, you can say, or they are having many problems in the family. There are parental problems going on, fights going on. Alright, so all these things affect these students, and it is shown in their character, each and every student in the class. Alright, so how all these things affect them in a negative way, so we have seen already in the video. And about time changes take place, and at that point when the school report was going to be presented, the narrator was anxious because he was waiting to watch how these students are going to perform. So you can mention all these things nicely over here. Select two statements that describe the theme of the extract. Half-yearly report of the Students' Council was not an important event for the students and teachers of school. The writer was immensely pleased to notice the progress of his students. The students showed a remarkable change in their behavior and were progressing in all the subjects. The head of the institution was against conducting such activities in the school. Now you just have to read carefully and tick mark. Alright, the students showed a remarkable change in the behavior and they were progressing in all the subjects. Alright, and the writer was immensely pleased to notice the progress of his students. Fine. Third question, The relationship between the teacher and the students is highlighted in the extract. Illustrate with suitable examples from the extract. Now over here you'll have to talk about all the things what we have already discussed. So write them down in your own words, I would say. And a beautiful relationship is mentioned over here. The next question is, explain in brief the theme of the extract. Right? So the name of the lesson is to serve with love. So in the beginning we know what is the situation, and towards the end of the lesson there's a total change in all the students as well as the teacher himself. So please mention all those things over here. Describe the atmosphere of the school described in the extract. Whatever things you have noticed in the school atmosphere as we read the lesson, you can mention all those points. The next thing which we are going to deal is the language. A4 activity, first one. Explain the following statements that enrich the language and create a powerful impact. Miss Phillips is transformed into a very convincing personality. There are many features of language that contribute the smooth sailing of the plot. Now over here, Miss Phillips, you know what changes have gone, like whatever things are mentioned over here in the lesson about her. Like she seemed to be a very quiet personality, but when she is answering those questions, when she is giving back to the students, over here we can understand that she is well informed and she has a very convincing personality itself. Alright, so you'll have to explain all these points in your own words again. The next one, following are some speakers of the major characters in the extract. Find out who the speaker is, his or her tone, the style, significance, etc. of the dialogues. The first are, then why do we have to do PT? Why don't they take only the kids who need it? Who do you think said this? I think it must be Denham, because he was totally against all these activities in the school, isn't it? So here you have to highlight his tone, his style, significance of these things. Alright. The next are, let's say it is as much an exercise of the mind as it is of the body. Denham. Now obviously this answer is given by no other than Miss Phillips, their teacher, isn't it? So in a very calm and quiet way she has outwitted Denham and she was able to answer everything. Alright. So here I hope you will be writing all these things down wherever necessary. You can just tick mark in your textbook itself. No need to write those things again and again in your notebook. So go through your lessons, study nicely, stay safe, and may God bless you all. Thank you.